Yoga or Yog is the holistic integration of mind, body and spirit. Yoga is not just a series of breathing exercises or bending and twisting techniques. In fact, it's a tool that is used to align your entire body in such a way that it can function effectively and you can become the best version of yourself. Let's talk about Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, who was the creator of Transcendental Meditation. He was a student of Swami Brahmanand Saraswati. What has made yoga to acquire the stature and the fame today? So on this 10th International Yoga Day, with the theme of yoga for self and society, I urge everyone to not just perform yoga yourself, ask your family and your friends to join so that we can have a healthy society. Thank you.
Adding to our knowledge, I also wanted to mention about a great divine guru. He is the Indian American Hindu monk, missionary to the United States, Paramhans Yoganand Ji. He was the one who introduced meditation and Kriya Yoga with energizing exercises to help us gain self-control. He is also known as the father of meditation in the Western countries. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am here to tell you about B.K.S. Iyengar, who is one of the Indian yoga teacher and author. He is the founder of Yoga as Exercise, also called as Iyengar Yoga, and is considered as one of the foremost guru of yoga worldwide. He is considered as one of the earliest students of Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, who is the founder of modern yoga. B.K.S. Iyengar is credited with popularizing yoga first in India and then around the world. Thank you.
करो योग रहो निरोग, क्योंकि आजकल के भागदौड़ भरे जीवन में हमें अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं दिनचर्या में से 10 से 15 मिनट समय निकालकर योग करना अति आवश्यक है, क्योंकि योग के द्वारा हम कई प्रकार की बीमारियों से बच सकते हैं, क्योंकि योगा के बहुत सारे फायदे हैं। करो योग रहो निरोग। थैंक यू सो मच।
आज मैं बात करूंगी योग गुरु स्वामी शिवानंद जी के बारे में। उनके द्वारा 1936 में दिव्य जीवन संघ की स्थापना हुई। उन्होंने उस संघ के माध्यम से लोगों के अंदर एक नई आशा जगाई योग के विषय में। संसार भर में उनके शिष्य हैं, जिसमें सभी राष्ट्र के निवासी और सभी धर्म और मतों के लोग सम्मिलित हुए।
सुबह हो या शाम रोज कीजिए योग, निकट नहीं आएगा कभी भी कोई रोग। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। योग का मतलब है जोड़ना, खुद में ऊर्जा को समाहित करना, शरीर मन आत्मा को खूबसूरत और मजबूत बनाना। इसलिए कहा जाता है ना, करिए योग रहे निरोग। धन्यवाद।
Today I am going to tell you about India one of the best yogic gurus, Swami Rama. Swami Rama was born in Himalayas in 1925. He was initiated by his master into many yogic activities at a young age.
Today to tell you more about Sadhguruji. Sadhguruji has always been an epitome of motivation for everyone. But it's not just that he's motivating others. He has always took the traditional methods of teaching plus inducing religious sentiments among people. He would always be a great person and a person from whom we all can learn much in our life. Thank you.